What is Matrix? Matrix is a construction project information management system, an acronym for Management of Activities, Time and Resources for International Construction Solutions. Construction has come a long way since Stonehenge and the pyramids. Engineering has always been quick to adopt the latest technologies. Throughout history, they have strived to use the latest achievements of mathematics, geometry, mechanics and machines. Then came the advent of computers. Today, practically every engineer or architect enjoys the blessing of computer-aided design. The design is an integrated set of files that can conveniently fit on a tiny thumb drive, usable on any computer around the world. But managing the contents within the documents takes a lot of time, often managed by different people using incompatible systems. Indeed, it's like an express train on metal cogwheels, unable to cross borders without a standard gauge rail system. Matrix bridges the generation gap between engineering and administration to an area of construction where it was not properly utilized before. Matrix is an intelligent system that contains every aspect of construction, all in real time, conveniently standardized with a color protocol and adaptable to any civil engineering project type and location. Imagine you need a progress report on an ongoing construction, and of course it's urgent. A mobile crane has broken down and awaiting repairs, and you don't know how that broken machine will affect the whole project. With Matrix, this would only take a few clicks. It's a graphics-orientated database, which is an inherently strict system. Every bit of information in it will be categorized, interlinked, tagged, and readily available anytime. And there's even more to it. It's computer-aided management with a built-in construction-specific multilingual dictionary and search engine. Like the bricks in a building, a project is made up of individual blocks. In Matrix, each activity has an input, an output, and a time value, represented by the three visible sides of a cube. The construction of a train station includes excavation, ground support, concrete and so on. If any of these are modified, suffering delays for example, the corresponding cube will reflect the changes instantly. And because it's part of a bigger cube, the whole project will be updated automatically. This eliminates nasty surprises. Matrix enables the manager to keep track of progress and produces an estimated result for every change of circumstances. Think of it as a virtual 3D environment. It enables different systems to talk to each other. Data can be kept in your favorite software, but updating needs a common link. Managing work beneath the surface is even more difficult and can be a manager's nightmare. He cannot visibly see progress on a regular basis. Access to the face is difficult and time-consuming. Risks are high. If an excavator breaks down at the tunnel face, Matrix will immediately determine the delay and its effects on the construction as a whole. If another machine is reassigned from another section of the project, for example road building, the system can recalculate various options to speed up tunneling while road construction is put on hold. The cubes that make up the project will resize, reflecting the changes in time and cost, showing how they affect the outcome of the overall project. Matrix knows what different equipment can produce through logical links between activities, resources, and costs. It provides real-time irregularity reports and assists the manager to continuously re-estimate project performance. In other words, to see the complete picture in sections or as a whole. Matrix introduces a data specification system using a consistent decimal structure that keeps everything identified at all times. Anything related to earthworks is tagged with a number starting with 100. If it has to do with tunneling, it will have a tag in the 140 range, and so on, down to the lowest level. This extends to conditions of contracts, procedures, phase design, and construction requirements, specifications, activity planning schedules, risk assessments, estimates, and reports, all having a standardized designation, just like in a barcode system. It acts as a table of contents for the project, including and indexing every document, clause, and revision. This enables not only documents, but also the various aspects of document contents and responsibilities to be linked to tasks. This not only makes administration easier for people, it also makes it computer readable and compatible across different languages. Organizing information in a clear structure eliminates the need to manually search for keywords buried in scanned documents. Large-scale constructions are often obscure for outsiders, and even for the decision-makers, who might be out of the picture and wondering where that huge sum of money is going. The Matrix interface and the underlying database provides full transparency for supervisors at all levels. Managers, political leaders, even the press can get their report delivered hourly, daily or weekly, subject to various levels of confidentiality. Graphic presentation helps in underlining tendencies and puts everything into perspective. Data collection can be automated to provide real-time updating of the information, taking the chore out of data collection and administration. The computer can sort and consolidate information faster and more precisely than people. The user decides which filters and the level of detail he requires. No one would doubt that a bulldozer is more efficient in moving earth than men with spades. The same is true for the effort previously spent on paperwork, searching for information and calculations. Decisions are still made by people. However, with an intelligent environment that simulates and predicts consequences, a system that lets modern machines, the computers, do what machines are good at, so people can concentrate on the evaluation of informed decisions based on the latest possible options and corresponding consequences. As Matrix completes the computerization of construction, the slow cogs of administration will no longer get in the way.